It's more expensive than it used to be, but still time is more expensive than gas. You want to get there faster.
So the practical question is when we will be able to say that the inventor of the algorithm implementing the GPS we are using, we have met him. I mean you.
So that you should ask product.
But
we are a research organization, so we tell product people what we can do, and then they decide when they need it and when they time to implement it. And of course, if you work in industry, you know that product people usually tell you, we don't have time to do it right, but we have time to do it over. And so they will, eventually they will do it.
And also, is it used somehow, for example, I don't know, some big company like Akamai could try to use this for the internet routing?
Yeah, although it would be interesting to experiment with internet graphs, because it's not clear that these heuristics will give you significant speed-ups.
And also for the internet graph, maybe you can give some very after computing all the things, you may give instructions. If you make a new line between this and this point, it will reduce so it's somehow localize the difficulty. So maybe it's
by the way, some of these ideas are used by maps.live.com, MSN, driving directions thing. So they're using some of this, not all of this yet. But portable devices takes longer.
Okay, so
any more?
Okay, that's very good.
Yeah.
But actually we have reduced your time. You could speak more.
Yeah, that's fine.
It's okay?
Okay, so what are our plans? We should make a
Why not to have a small coffee break?
small coffee break and then why small?
Yes.
Why small? Because we need to continue. Okay, so 20 minutes.